Hi guys, welcome back to the Taste to Share kitchen. Today, let's make a flavorful pork liver stir fry that's tender, saucy, and full of tasty vegetables. First, cut the pork liver into thin slices. Try to keep them even so they cook nicely. After slicing, wash them thoroughly with water to remove any blood. This also helps make the liver more tender when cooked. Once clean, set it aside and get your veggies ready. Heat some oil in a pan. Once hot, add sliced bell peppers and fry until the edges turn slightly brown. Next, toss in some sliced white onions. Stir and cook everything together until the veggies are a bit toasted and smell great. Next, add a handful of green peas. Toss and cook everything together for a couple of minutes until the vegetables are tender but still vibrant. At this time, set aside the toasted vegetables. In the same pan, add a bit more oil if needed and sauté some minced garlic. Cook until the garlic turns golden brown and aromatic. Now, add the sliced pork liver and sauté it gently. Sprinkle in 3 teaspoons of black pepper for that extra kick. Keep stirring, but don't overcook the liver. You want it tender, not tough. Next, pour in 3 tablespoons of cooking wine and let it toast a bit for added flavor. Now, add 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir everything well to coat the liver in that rich, savory sauce. Next, 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Stir everything well to coat the liver in that savory sauce. Now add about 1½ cups of water, or just enough water. Let it simmer for a minute until the liver is fully cooked and tender. Once done, add the cooked vegetables back in. If the sauce is too thin, slowly stir in cornstarch slurry until it thickens to your liking. Give it a good mix and simmer everything together for a minute or 2. Finally, taste and adjust with salt if needed. Simmer everything for a while. This is almost ready. And there you have it, a delicious pork liver stir fry with colorful veggies and a savory sauce. Perfect with hot rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and tasty home-cooked meals. Check out our other videos and keep your kitchen inspired. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!